Hello guys, welcome to BMS with me. This is the third lecture of Dravyaguna subject. So today let's discuss about the drug Agnimantha. Main function of Agnimantha is Shotahara, that is to reduce inflammation or edema. It is of two varieties, that is Clerodendron flammidus and Premna mucronata. Coming to its vernacular names, in English it is known as vine killer, and in Hindi it is known as arani. In Kannada it is known as tagigida, and in Marathi it is known as iron. Coming to the definition of Agnimantha. Agnim madinati deepanatvat agnimantaha. Agni means fire and mantha means to shake or rub. When two dried sticks of Agnimantha are rubbed against each other, they will produce fire. When it is administered internally in the same way, it increases the digestive power of the person. It is described as one of the 10 herbs of Dashamula. It is Vatahara and Shotahara. Coming to its Paryayanama or synonyms. Nadai. It grows in the banks of the river, hence it is called as Nadai, Nadi, banks of the river. Second synonym is Ganikarika, that is, it grows abundantly along the other plants, hence it is known as Ganikarika. Ketu, the inflorescence of the Agnimantha resembles to the kite, hence it is known as Ketu. Shriparni, its leaf is very beautiful, so it is called as Shriparni. Jaya, it cures many diseases, hence it is known as Jaya. Jayanti, it overcomes many disorders, hence it is known as Jayanti. Tarkari, it brings good opinion among the people, hence it is known as Tarkari. Coming to its botanical name, there are two varieties of Agnimantha being mentioned. They are Clerodendron flammidus and Premna mucronata. Coming to its family, it belongs to family Verbanaceae, that is Nirgundicula. Ganavargikarana or classification of the drug. According to Acharya Charaka, he mentioned it as into three classifications. They are Shotahara, Shita Prashamana and Anuvasanopaka. According to Acharya Shushruta, they are Brahat Panchamula, Veerataravadhigana and Varunadigana. Now coming to the external morphology of the drug. Habitat. It is present throughout India, especially in upper plains in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Orissa and other provinces. In southern India, it is mostly found in coastal areas like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, etc. Coming to the tree, Vriksha. It is a large shrub or a small tree. It is evergreen and it is about 20 to 35 centimeter high. Coming to the bark, it is paper thin. Leaves. It has simple and alternate leaves. Leaves are wide, that is about 10 cm long and 5 cm broad. It is broadly elliptical and obtuse. Coming to the flower, it is greenish white in clusters or umbellate cymes. Fruit, its fruits are capsule that is about 1 to 2 cm in length and it is clothed by a pale yellow soft hairs. Coming to the chemical composition of the drug. As I have said earlier, it is of two types, Clerodendron flammidus and Premna mucronata. Chemical composition of Clerodendron flammidus are clerosterol, clerodin, clerodendrin, cerolic acid, ceryl alcohol and raffinose. And chemical composition of Premna mucronata are beta-cetosterol, luteolin, that is about in leaves, and aphilandrin, premnin, premninol and betulin. Coming to Gunakarma Vijnana, that is pharmacodynamics. Rasa, that is tikta, bitter, katu, pungent, kashaya, astringent and madura, sweet in taste. And guna, it is ruksha and lagu guna, dry and light. Virya, it is ushna virya, hot in potency. And vipaka, it is katu vipaka, that is pungent. Therefore, the dosha karma of the drug is kapha and vata shamaka and pitta prakopaka. Due to tikta, lagu, ushna, ruksha gunas, it is pitta prakopaka and kapha and vata shamaka. Coming to the properties and karma, action of the drug. Actions, they perform the actions such as Jwarahara, it elevates fever, Kasahara elevates cough, Shulahara, it relieves pain, and Shofahara, it relieves swelling. Shwasahara, it relieves asthma. Kustagna, it alleviates skin disorders, and Krimigna, it is very useful in worm infestation, and Vranahara, it is useful in wounds. Now coming to the diseases, it is useful in internal and external diseases. Bahya, external diseases like Shota Vedana, to get relief from inflammation or edema. In internal diseases, it plays in Agnimantha, low digestion strength. Shofa, useful in swelling. Pandujit, useful in anemia. Ama, useful in altered digestion and metabolism, and it is useful in Vibandha, that is constipation. Pandu, anemia. Admana, abdominal bloating. Prameha, diabetes, and Asra, hemorrhoids. Coming to the Amayika Prayoga, therapeutic use of the drug. In Asra piles, decoction is prepared from the leaves of Agnimantha and drumstick plant. The decoction is then used for a tub bath for hemorrhoid condition. And in Sita Pitta, that is urticaria, the roots of the Agnimantha are taken. Then it is crushed to make a fine powder. Then this churna is taken internally at the dose of about 5 grams. In Kusta, that is in skin diseases, Agnimantha roots of the Agnimantha are prepared and crushed well. Then it is added with water to prepare decoction. Its oral intake will cure all types of skin diseases. In Jwara, fever, decoction is made with the leaves of Agnimantha and Vasa. Then it is taken internally at a dose of 60 ml. Coming to Shofa, inflammation condition, paste is prepared from the Agnimantha root along with the grita. It is applied over the skin part where the inflammation is caused. Parts used for the therapeutic use are root, bark, leaves, and roots barks. Dosage, decoction is about 10 to 15 ml and powder is taken at about 3 to 6 grams. Formulations or yogas of the drug, they are Agnimantadi Churna, Dashamula Taila, Dashamula Kvata, Agnimantadi Swarasa. Thank you.